or they will laugh at me. They'll do the people who are laughing, they're still laughing. Trust me. I have live examples. I don't want to take the names, but they're still laughing at me. तू किधर था कहाँ हो गया मैं बोला yes कहाँ था और मैं कहाँ हो गया so
Practice makes perfect.
the it does and the only thing that you need is your family support. So I'll just give a small background about myself. So I am born and brought up in Jabalpur, studied in St. Aloysius School, which is an English medium school. And even then, I joined Jhasa's class because I was not confident of myself. If I had to speak in front of 5 people, 10 people, or someone, I used to shiver like hell. So that was the reason I joined his class, and I got a lot of criticism. Being from Aloysius, you're joining English class, and what have you done in your schooling? Pura paisa waste kar diya, sab kar diya. And
Okay.
no doubt, it did let me down. But it was like I had to take a chance because I had to grow in my career. So it was absolutely fine. I have after 1 month I was absolutely fine. I remember I did speak to Jha sir about this also. So the only statement was do what you think is right and what makes you happy. So I went on with that, and that was the turning point of my life. Once I was done with the classes, I could talk in front of like 10 people, 15 people. Then I was just focusing on my BCom exams. So the moment I cleared my BCom in 2008, within 10 days, I got an offer letter from Wipro. So I joined Wipro in Mumbai. I worked there for like 6 years. Then I moved into JP Morgan, which is the first or second largest bank of United States of America. So when I joined JP, I was a part of the fraud team, and currently I am in HR team. So we work for hiring people for JP Morgan for not India region. I mean that is not in my bucket for now, but we hire people across Latin America, North America, and EMEA. That is European, Middle East, and African countries. So that's a small background about myself. And right now, I'm lucky enough that I got a chance to come back to home for a longer period of time because of pandemic. So I'm just here enjoying the weather, and one room is only dedicated to me so that I can sit here peacefully and I can do my work. So that's a small background about myself. Now, any questions, anything you guys want to know?
Seriously, actually, we are very happy to listen you. Like, earlier you don't have confidence to speak English, and now we're working in multinational company and world biggest, one of the world biggest company. So it's a big achievement, right?
For me, it is definitely. I mean, there are a lot of people who are like, "चल ठीक है, इधर नहीं तो वहां तो मिल ही जाएगा." I was not that confident, and I don't know. Maybe this is my experience, but for people who are from UP, MP, Patna, Bihar, when you go towards metro cities, these people are like, "अबे UP, MP का है, चलेगा, देखेंगे क्या होता है." So I had gone through a lot. I had gone through a lot. My colleagues, my people, like when we become close friends, so they are like, "अरे जाना तेरे को नहीं आता बे, तू उधर से." So that was like I used to take it very lightly. No offense, no grudges, nothing. But this was something that was pinching me every day. कि कुछ अलग करना है. So I have not achieved great heights in my life, in my career. But where I was and where I am right now, I am not overconfident, but I feel little proud of myself because all the people who were there throughout my career, they have helped me a lot. Biggest role played were my parents. They are still playing one of the biggest role in my life for shaping me up for my career. The second would be one of my uncles who is very close to me, and he's like, uh, go. हर फैमिली में ना एक ऐसा इंसान होता है कि लाइक इट्स अ गो टू पर्सन कि कुछ प्रॉब्लम है यार इससे बात कर ले उससे बात कर ले ही इज वन ऑफ देम एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू बिल्डिंग माई सेल्फ एज अ कॉन्फिडेंट पर्सन schooling, college, all these things सबके साथ होता है. But this was the class where I actually found myself what I'm capable of. So this really helped me.
Okay.
And we all are trying to find ourselves here in this class. Same like you.
It I'm sure. I mean, you
Yes.
guys are already speaking really good, all of you. Trust me. I was not that good. Maybe I guess after 1 or 2 months, I was not even that much good. So if you guys are really doing good, it's just that practice yourself, Whenever you're sitting alone and you're thinking about something, think in English. It sounds stupid, but do that. After a week, after 2 weeks or 1 month, you'll find a change in yourself. कि यार मैंने ऐसा सोच रहा था, वहां पे ना ये grammar गलत था. You'll turn your pages, you will try and find out the answer because you have that inquisitiveness to learn good things or learn English. And when you think wrong and you try to correct it, you remember it for a long time because you are making a mistake and you're correcting it yourself. So do that.
It really
And
works,
what
Bhaiya. I experienced that.
it does, and it will change you as a human being also. And one more thing, I never share this with anyone, but I'm going to share this with you guys because I am finding guys really cheerful, really, really confident that you guys are going to do really good with in this class at least, and you will utilize this experience. Trust me, no matter how much you learn, how much you achieve in your life, if your attitude is not good, it will put you down somewhere. It will put you down. I have seen people not like they are in a very, very good position, but they are not liked by anyone because of their behavior, their attitude. You have to be adamant when it is necessary. You have to be good, not always, but at least most of the time. So build yourself as a human being, like as an overall. ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने मुझे इंग्लिश सीखना है बिकॉज ये आज की सोसाइटी की डिमांड है. नहीं. Do these conversations with her. Do these conversations with Kalpana ma'am. They are really, really experienced. They have seen thousands of people or children coming into his class. Uh, some take it really seriously. They build up their career. They move out. They do good in their life, and uh, they still have that positive attitude or just a humble attitude, I would say. So build on that and have good conversations with her. Trust me, he can direct you wonders. He can direct you wonders. Talk to ma'am whenever you get a chance. Talk to ma'am, talk to sir, or talk to anyone who you guys are comfortable with. Not necessary in class, at home, in your friend circle, or maybe someone in your locality, in your known list. Talk to them, but build yourself as a human being. That is very, very important. At least from my experience, that I can say that.
Okay, Pritish, I wanted to ask you one thing. Then you have
Sure.
been, when did you join and how many months have you completed over there? And how was the experience with the sir, special Jha sir? And
Mm, my experience, I guess I don't exactly remember, but it was somewhere around 2004, 2005. I was in my 12th, I was about to start my 12th class when I did these classes. So when I joined in, I was overconfident कि मैं ना इंग्लिश स्कूल का पढ़ा हुआ हूँ. इधर पे मैं बाप हूँ, मुझे कोई नहीं रोक सकता. बट स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली जैसे जैसे दिन पास हो रहे थे, मुझे समझ में आ रहा था कि बाप कोई और है, who is on the other side of the table, because he knows the logic. हमने इंग्लिश पढ़ी है, हमने इंग्लिश सीखी है, हम बोल सकते हैं, पर हमको लॉजिक नहीं पता है. अगर आई यूज होता है तो क्यों होता है, वी होता है तो क्यों होता है. इफ यू हैव टू यूज THEIR, why do we use that, why can't we use THERE. तो ये सब ठीक है. मतलब just 1 second guys, I am working at the same time.
are you
Okay,
working from
so
home?
yeah, I'm working from home, so my laptop is open. I just kept my phone over here. So my I was that overconfident. और जब मैं क्लास में घुसता था ना, तो मैं सबको ऐसे ही देखता था कि यार ये यार एक दिन में पढ़ा के खत्म करो ना प्लीज. बट स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली यू मतलब आई रियलाइज कि दैट वाज रॉन्ग. क्योंकि जब लॉजिक की बात आती थी तो क्या होता है ना, जब आप एक व्हेन यू राइट ऑन अ प्लेन ब्लैक बोर्ड और इन अ ब्लैंक एम्प्टी माइंड, दैट पर्सन विल लर्न ओनली दोज थिंग्स. लेकिन जहाँ पे ऑलरेडी कुछ भरा हुआ है, उसको ठीक करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. So that was a challenge for me because I knew everything, not in the sense I knew how to talk, but I never knew the logic behind it. Why do we talk in this way? So था like थोड़ा challenging था मेरे लिए, and slowly and gradually I got to know that others are doing better than me. The people who I mean जिनको who didn't even speak in English ever, they are doing much better than me. And when they talk, they used to talk logic. They used to make sense. And I was like, अबे ये मेरे को आता है या मुझे ये पता है. So slowly and gradually, धीरे धीरे मेरा attitude change हुआ. And by the time I guess 3 or 4 months the classes went on for. I मेरे ख्याल से 3 साढ़े 3 महीने कुछ क्लास चली होगी. बट क्लास खत्म होने के बाद मतलब जहाँ पे मेरे कंधे ऐसे होते थे ना कि मुझे सब आता है, आई वॉज लाइक दिस. नाउ आई नो बट आई डोंट नीड टू बी ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट. दैट इज जस्ट वन थिंग. पीपल नो मच मोर देन मी. बट व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट झा सर, प्रोफेशनली और एज अ टीचर, he is very humble. Trust me, he is very humble. You will never see him losing his patience. Never ever. If you ask him 10 times, he'll tell you 10 times. But he'll make sure that you guys understand. But everything has a limit. Because I don't have that patience. I can tell you 5 times, 6 times you're going to get big time. मतलब मेरा थोड़ा फंडा अलग है. But he is very patient. But don't misuse that. Give your best. नहीं आ रहा है, then go back to him. Professionally, he is superb. He is one of the best teachers, I would say. At least when I say, I mean, when it comes to teaching, he is one of the best. He will give you the logics. He'll give you all the explanations. He'll explain you in Hindi, in English. और जहाँ जरूरत पड़ेगी वहाँ पे he'll sing a song. He'll do acting. He'll do everything. Because when he teaches, he is relating each and everything to your real life. So मतलब अगर कहीं पे कोई चीज गाने में भी है ना, तो he will tell you कि उस गाने में ऐसा है. Have you heard that? When you relate something, you will remember it. He'll do that. So he's very flexible. But trust me, make the best of this, because you just have like 3-4 months with him. After that, you guys are going to get busy in your own life. But till the time you're with him and you're learning, make the best out of it. Make the best out of it. And personally also, I mean, he used to stay in my colony only, in the Patrakar colony, Ranidal. So we were just like one lane gap. That's it. So I used to just go from here and meet him anytime. Other than classes, also we used to meet a lot. So personally, also he is a very fun-loving person. He is very humble. He is very. Just 1 second, guys. Sorry. He is very humble. He is fun-loving, and I mean, I don't know. I don't have anything bad to say about him. I don't have anything. Trust me. For me, he is like I don't know. It will sound very funny, but for me, he is like a god. Just sorry, guys. I have to take this call. 1 second.
Meanwhile, use one interactive and PDF.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
So very nice to listen about you.
Sir, no, sir, one thing I would like to admit, whenever I miss the class and whenever I have to just move from the class, I really feel guilt inside myself. As class miss ho gaya, I should not, but class miss ho gaya. Any reason I don't, but I feel really guilt.
Sorry, guys, I'm back.
Time भी नहीं पाती हूँ, लेकिन a part of class I'm not able to, but still I feel guilt.
We really enjoy the class with the sir, and he meant it.
Pratyush, I'm telling to sir, like whenever I miss the class for any reason, I really feel guilt inside myself. Okay, I missed the class, and I have some, and sometime I am not able to turn my page a register page to what previous class what I have done. Sometimes every time, sometimes not sometimes, every time I'm not able to turn the page, but still I'm less dying to attend the class. So like every time I learn something new, and
This is the magic of
The
sir's class.
that you can avoid this
exactly.
guilt,
It
वो
is
तो होना ही है,
not
trust me,
Atishokti
होना
for
ही है.
sir. He is the Paras for every student. He is the Paras of every student. He has made a student like from a antisocial element as a human being. He has made himself. I have so many examples I have learned in my life, and I will tell you guys after some times how many guys just like a student from Jabalpuria kind of a Gunda kind of people used to come over there to attend the class, and after attending 5 months or 4 months, they convert themselves in a human being, started living just like a people, good people we can say. It's amazing, and it is not a Atishokti for the sir ki he is just a paras for the students, I must say. This
That's the
is,
power of a teacher. Trust me,
yeah.
that's the power of a teacher.
Power aura of the teacher, or like a very positive, and whenever very cool, very calm. And he notice everything very minutely, like where we miss s, where we use first form of verb and second. He noticed each and everything very minutely. That is
That,
um, so
that's why he's a teacher, right?
yeah.
That's why he's a teacher and we are students.
That's why, yes, you are right. He is a teacher because he has a patience to listen to. Matlab, every student's having a lots of bad things, and some people irritates him as kind of speaking what words they speak in before him, and he patiently listen all the things. This is the great thing, I must.
And he rectifies our mistakes very coolly and calmly. मतलब उनके माथे पे बल नहीं पड़ते, हम करते
नहीं कभी,
रहते हैं.
मैंने तो
Mistakes
आज
are
तक नहीं देखे.
respected in the class, in this class. Mistakes are respected in the class. So
नहीं, मैंने आज तक नहीं देखा है. मतलब honestly अभी तो ये नया और एक era आ गया है. It's just like that you have to be online, but when you guys are in the class and you meet in person, it's completely different experience. It's completely different experience. You guys get to know yourself. You, I mean, you share your thoughts with others. Then you get to know sir. Sir gets to know you guys well. So I know it's little different or little challenging क्योंकि कभी network issues है, कभी कुछ है, but still make the best out of it. I'm telling you. After 6 months, you guys will realize कि अच्छा हुआ मैंने class join किया था. I can see the change in myself, like a positive change.
and Pratyush, you speak so well. You know like in a very balanced speed and fluency, and like the word you select, it's very like easy to understand, and it's not not tough and difficult word you, but very easy to, and very easy smooth going conversation, like you used to do like that. That's also a very good part from your side. I feel.
Thank you guys. But the only reason is because we when I was in Wipro, we had to connect with US clients on a regular basis. So when we used to connect with them, they used to record our calls and they used to do a quality check on that. So I mean, it was like a BPO sector kind of call center. So I have worked in a call center for 3.5 years. And then I was working on a back office, but that too was like with the US. So in my entire life, I was working with US people, and now I have started working across European countries also. So whenever we do anything, we are monitored and we are given scores about that. So just because of that, we are asked to use simple words. Do not try and use बड़ा बड़ा लाइक बहुत बड़े बड़े वर्ड्स यूज करके दिखा रहे हैं कि हम जोधा अकबर हैं. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. सो द मोर people understand you, the more effective your conversation is. कोई जरूरत नहीं है बड़े बड़े वर्ड यूज करने की. वो लोग बोलते होंगे, करते होंगे, it's good for them. But trust me, their audience is not even 25% responsive. मुझे नहीं आती, मुझे वो बड़े बड़े वर्ड्स आते ही नहीं है, और ना मैं कभी कोशिश करता हूँ कि मुझे सीखना है. My only aim is whatever I say, people should understand.
In this way we can connect to anyone because we are
हाँ
using
हाँ.
simple words, है ना? So everybody can understand easily. So we have to do this actually.
Like the
You should.
motto of language is to share your thinking, your thoughts with other, and using
that other can
easy
understand
word you can
easily.
you can get more audience, and you can get you can connect with the lots of people. So that is
You can.
yeah.
So your language is nothing but just a way to communicate with others. People are using it as their क्या बोलना चाहिए कि जैसे बोलते हैं ना हिंदी में कि जिसको इंग्लिश आती है उसकी शान अच्छी होती है. तो वो एक अपने इसके लिए यूज करते हैं कि यार मेरा स्टेटस ऐसा है, या मैं इंग्लिश में ही बात करता हूँ बिकॉज आई एम सो एंड सो. इट डजेंट मैटर टू मी, या इट डजेंट मैटर टू एनीवन हु इज रियली लाइक प्रैक्टिकल पर्सन. तुमको आती होगी, अच्छी बात है, बट लुक एट द ऑडियंस एंड टॉक टू देम अकॉर्डिंग. कल के दिन साइड पे लेबर काम करती है. इफ आई गो एंड स्टार्ट टॉकिंग इन इंग्लिश, दे आर लाइक भगाओ इसको यहाँ से, ना इसको आता नहीं हमें सिखा पाएगा. सो लुक एट द ऑडियंस, सिलेक्ट योर लैंग्वेज एंड देन टॉक टू देम. जरूरी नहीं कि हाई प्रोफाइल यूज करो, नॉट नेसेसरी एट ऑल. एंड व्हेन यू talk in a not very fast, not very slow, in a neutral speed. The more you talk neutral, you'll make sense. You'll talk valid points, and people will understand you, and they will talk to you. And now is the best time. Now is the best. Now is the best time to do that because you guys have good audience. You guys talk to each other, and try and avoid Hindi words when you're talking in English. अपन बोलते हैं ना कि डू इट दिस वे, है ना? ये है ना नहीं होना चाहिए. तो ये मैंने एक कॉल पे किया था. When I was in Wipro, I used to take calls. So one of this US client, he called me up and he had some issues with his credit card. So he was like, I had this, I was trying to use my card, I couldn't swipe it, and my charge didn't go through, but the money was deducted, and I didn't get a message, receipt, nothing. What to do? I was like, look, let me help you. And he was like, what? So on a bigger platform, it impacts you. It does impact you. So, and there are a lot of people in US who are from India, they behave like as if US उनने ही बनाया है. So वो भी एक challenge हो जाता है. So be simple, be humble, and never ever feel that you are the best. In the sense, overconfident. I know we all are best, but don't be overconfident ever. It will put you down one day. And start learning from your mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to accept it. Don't feel bad about it. हो गई गलती, हो गया है. I take the ownership. I will rectify it, and I'll make sure it doesn't happen again. That will make you a proud person, or in fact a responsible person. क्योंकि लोग उस पर ही भरोसा करते हैं जो एक्सेप्ट करता है कि हाँ गलती हुई है. कल के दिन don't play a blame game. Don't play a blame game. मतलब I'm just talking all these things out of my experience. I used to do that. I have suffered a lot, and now I have stopped it. हो गई गलती, हो गई. Be honest to yourself. That is very, very important. And to all those people who matter to you more than 50% in your life. And we all have someone or the other. Parents, of course. Your friends, गिने चुने होंगे. दो तीन कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जिनसे हम कुछ छुपाते नहीं. Some of your teachers also, or any person who you respect a lot. never lie to them. Be honest always. They will take you. They will take you, or they will pull you out of any problem you guys are in. And that's my experience.
I must say that your way of speaking, it reminds me of my younger brother who is living in Mumbai, and he's senior consultant in a TCS. So
Okay.
he earlier he was working in Dubai also. So he used to do, matlab, your way of confidence, and it reminds me my younger brother look like him, and his name is Amrish Jha. Is so way, matlab, you are whatever you are speaking, he speaks. He is from also Jabalpuria, and he was earlier he. matlab,
I know him. I know him because when I was moving to Mumbai in 2008, so I guess Sir gave me his number, and he told me in case if you get stuck anywhere or if you need any guidance, you can just call this number. Let him know कि आशीष सर ने नंबर दिया है आपका, and you need some help, and this guy will help you. But कभी उनसे मौका नहीं पड़ा बात करने का. But I know this person. I still have his number on my phone.
So
Bhaiya,
after
can
meeting,
you
What
can
else?
you share your Bhaiya, can you share your experience about the call centers after matlab after attending the sir's class? So what was your experience?
I never planned to go into call center. Never. मतलब for me call center was like यहाँ पे बैठ के वहाँ बैठ के calls लेने हैं, ये करना है वो करना है. And in 2007 2008 जबलपुर में कॉल सेंटर्स को लेके ना बहुत अच्छे रिव्यूज नहीं थे. इट वाज लाइक एक लोग अलग ही सेंस में लेते थे उसको. बट देन फॉर मी इट वाज अ चैलेंज बिकॉज the reason I took this job in Wipro is because I got to know they help you in doing your further studies. And if you score more than 75-80%, they'll refund the entire amount also. So that was my target when I joined Wipro. So training, all these things were good. That was not a challenge, no doubt. When I used to get training with Mumbai folks, they were like super awesome. Their English is really good, really good. But my challenge started when we went live, or when we started talking to the live customers from US. That was the time when my challenge started, because whatever they used to say, कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. कुछ नहीं मतलब कुछ नहीं. हमारे लिए जैसे हिंदी होती है कि अगर हम आधा अधूरा भी बोलेंगे तो सामने वाला समझ जाता है कि हमको क्या करना है या what are we looking at. But same way for these guys, they will talk to you so fast that you will never understand if you have never heard them talking. It took 6.5 months for me just to understand these people. I was about to lose my job, I guess, that time. No, not the job, but I was about to go into a performance plan. It's a kind of a corrective plan that we have in all the corporate companies. But luckily, after 6 months, my scores or my uh, quality started going up, and these people didn't do anything. But understanding these guys was really difficult. English was not a problem because by then I had done my classes. I did my homework. I started reading the Ren and Martin book. You can talk to sir about this. I mean, he only suggested it to me. Ren and Martin. They have English book also, and they have, I guess, answer book also. So you can first do your work, and then you can match your answer. So Ren and Martin is one of the books that I used to read a lot. I used to uh, go through grammar, statement, and how to make short sentences and all. So that helped me a lot. But it was challenging. It was really challenging for almost like 1 year, though क्योंकि उनका English is very very different. And now I have to deal with British people, so their accent is completely different. मतलब उनका उनकी आदत होती है हर चीज खींच के बात करते हैं. So ठीक है, like all across the world, different languages.
Even Pratyush in Dutch, in like Netherlands also. Few years back, I was there for 10 or 15 days. They used to speak Dutch language, but don't like speaking in English. But they hardly had any choice before me, in front of me. So they speak English, but in, like, you can say, broken English. So it's take so many times to understand what exactly they said. So
But they don't feel ashamed about it.
fully focused. You have to stay focused. Whatever sentence they they delivered. What okay this time of this things we usually do that time कि वो क्या कहते हैं बिल्कुल सुनना पड़ता था ध्यान से because their accent are completely different. So
They always talk in broken language. Dutch people, European people, people in Poland. Poland is still much, much better, but Dutch people, Italian, Brazilian, when you talk to these people, they don't know English. They are just like, I eat food, I drink water. Like, they will only talk in broken English. So you have to put 100% focus, catch the keywords, understand it, and then rephrase it. When I say rephrase, if तो अगर मैंने बोला है कि I eat food, तो उसका ये मतलब भी हो सकता है कि मैंने खाना खा लिया है या मुझे खाना खाना है. So you can rephrase it. That means you will say it in your own words. So do you want to eat food or have you already eaten it? So बहुत challenges है with these people, and especially if you whenever you get a chance to talk to people in Islamic countries like Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, and all these people, they are उन लोग का dialect बहुत different है, very different. They will talk good English, but for us to understand, it's very difficult. So
even South
lot of
Indian
cultures.
people from South, their accent is very different. Like whenever I used to call them and I talk to them, just what every time I say what. Okay, come again, please. So every time I used to I used to use this word. But they have patience. They have patience.
Next week, maybe Wednesday, Thursday, I'll talk to sir if I get a chance to connect with you guys again. Remind me, I will tell you one incident about South Indian colleague. Just remind me that. And that was one of the hilarious ones. So I'll tell you because I was stopping myself not to speak about this, but then it's okay. If this topic has come up, I'm going to share my experience, and that happened way back when I was in this row. So it's completely different.
Even Middle East people speaks English like a Arabian. Their accent like a Arabian. So I have experienced this thing, and even
मिडिल ईस्ट बहुत दूर हो गया पता है. अपने जबलपुर में भी ना इंग्लिश लोग ही अपने जबलपुर लैंग्वेज जैसी बात करते हैं. Why? What happened?
Bhaiya, I'm born and brought up in Jabalpur.
Same here.
I'm
Me
also
too. Me too.
Jabalpuriya.
हाँ, मैं भी इधर से ही हूँ. In fact, I guess everyone is from here itself.
And you know, Pratyush,
No, Pratyush, I'm from Patna.
most of the
Okay.
ladies from this group are belongs to Jabalpur, and three guys are from Jabalpur, and we are living in Nagpur, but
Wow.
we have belongs to Jabalpur. I mean, you
But
can say we are Jabalpuriya.
हाँ, we can say that. यार जबलपुरिया हो, पटना, बिहार, MP सब एक ही अपने लिए. Not a very big difference. But yeah, guys, I have to stop it here because I have to log in for my shift 1:30 p.m. and hell load of work right now because we have outage next week. But I am planning to see you guys again. I'll talk to sir if it is okay. So
Definitely,
maybe
it
next.
has been very nice to hear
Nice
you.
meeting you, and please join us again whenever you have time.
No, I'll definitely try and do that. Maybe next Wednesday or Thursday, because I guess Thursday is my off because of outage or something. So maybe we can spend some more time and we can have some more discussion. But until then, be safe, keep your guys good in good health, and learn lot of things. Lot of things. Do we have sir on the call?
Sorry,
Do we
Pratyush?
have sir on the call?
Yes,
Yeah.
he's here.
Yes. Yeah, he is
Sadhana
there.
Bhabi is here.
Okay,
No,
ma'am,
sir
I'm
is also
signing out
there.
right now. Acha. No, I don't
Yeah,
see
sir
him.
is there.
No worries, guys. Let sir know once he joins in. If I guess I am not able to hear him, just let him know. I We'll see you guys again and
Yes,
continue,
Pratyush,
guys.
thank you so much. Thank you so much being with
Thank
us.
you,
It was
Bhaiya.
so
Thank you so
wonderful.
much.
Thank you.
Most welcome. It was
Thank
nice talking
you.
to you guys.
Thank you.
Next time, I
See
would like
you.
to hear you.
Yeah.
Pratyush, next time I would like
100%.
to hear you problem about the guy, means woman. You guys too can speak with the other person outside of the friends or other circle, but we are homemaker. We cannot. We even our husband, the all our. I'm talking about the all women over here. So we cannot even our husband accompany with us. They don't talk
Okay.
with us in the no, never give us the company with us in English. And with children, they are learning at the
Yeah.
English medium school. They are all from English medium school, but they
Yeah.
don't even
Yeah. I can
talk
answer
with us.
this now itself. What thing we
Okay.
should
We,
do? We
we'll,
should
we'll definitely talk about this, guys.
Okay, bye bye, bye
But
bye.
maybe I'm going to log out
Okay,
right now because I have
Thank you
to
so
join a
much.
meeting.
Thank you so much.
We'll see you
Yeah.
next week. Take care, guys.
you
Bye.
please
Bye
leave, otherwise we will not
bye.
finish. Okay.
See you. Bye bye. Bye.
Maybe he is in hurry.
Yeah,
But
and we
wow, what a
we were talking
speaker,
about
है ना? Nice to listen him.
Yeah, it was so nice, huh? I was remembering my Gudda, yeah. That time, sometimes he is speaking like Jubalpuri, na? He scolded some guys, so I reminded that Gudda. His, Sarika's husband name is Gudda. Nickname
मेरे
is
मुंह से
Gudda.
निकलने वाला था. I'm the wife of him, but मैंने अपने आप को रोक के
I
रखा.
knowingly did not say. I knowingly did not say. Next time I will explain this. Inform
नहीं.
her. Actually. She's a wife of Amresh Jha. He doesn't know, I think, about me and you. So
But
I didn't.
सोचो मैंने कैसे रोक के रखा अपने आप को, कितना
I
कंट्रोल किया.
also control myself. Okay, guys. Bhaiya, Didi, Bhabhi, what should I do next? Bhaiya, Didi, Bhabhi. This kind of activities, na?
yeah, it's
Boost
yeah, no, very like
Really?
motivating like
motivating and boost up
very
our
easy. Like he was not
confidence.
taking any stress. He was not in one flow every time he used to
He
speak.
was not using a single word, मतलब a single difficult word.
Yeah,
है
that's
ना?
the beauty of his,
हाँ.
the conversation. Yeah.
With the help of ekdam simple words, how can you speak
हाँ.
fluently? He shows.
He was talking in a easy way, fluent way, but मतलब we can understand all the things, whatever he speaks, so we can
Right.
understand. Wow, मजा आ गया.
Seriously, just wow.
This is thing, na, he had said us in before us कि sir always says that कि अगर आपकी स्लेट खाली होगी तभी हम उस पे कुछ लिख पाएंगे, अदरवाइज भरी स्लेट
Yeah.
नामुमकिन है.
Guys, fix a day where we can like talk with each other, like the Pratyus talk with us. We can share our experience, some past experience, anything, whatever we want to share with each other. We should do, na? A part of class, like maybe speaking is very necessary.
Yeah,
Like
we should do definitely.
Bhabhi, anytime, whenever you are
That
free,
it will.
whenever you remain free, na, I'm ready.
No. We can fix a day. If the day is fixed, na, I can manage.
Good afternoon,
Hello, sir.
sir.
Sir, it was
Good
nice
afternoon,
experience with talking with the Pratyush.
So let's have a chit chat today. I will not give you an interruption.
No, sir. It will maybe not fulfill for us without you.
No, I'm here.
Something.
I'm here.
Sir, without you, how can how can this class completed?
I'm here. I'm here. I'll be speaking. I will be listening to you. And topic is nice. You can continue talking over the topic.
Sir, would you like to say something about
Sir,
this session?
can
Or
talk,
was it-
sir, we
Firstly,
can
I would
talk
like to
later.
invite Renu to say something. Renu did not say anything. Renu will say something.
Okay. So thank you so much. Sir, I throughout I was listening very carefully, and each and every word of his is like very impressive and very clear to us. So, and I'm noticing how he is expressing and what type of talks he has done and how he has introduced. So, if the guy comes to some new person, some this thing, to give speech or introduce himself or herself, so what all he should, what protocols he should follow. So I'm there. I'm carefully listening everything. So I've come to know whatever he said, we already know about you. So you are person, you मतलब बहुत थोड़े समय में, in no time one can judge what person you are and what qualities you have. And I want to share, and I always share. I don't want to miss any class, and in every class I take something with me. So I'm very happy and I feel very good to attend this class. And this is the bless, and this is guided by Aparna. And otherwise, I could not have this chance. So I grabbed the opportunity and I'm very happy. I would say.
Now, Renuka would like to say something. No?
Yes, sir. When the Pratyush started talking, and each and every word, as the Renu said, each and every word was so clear, and it was going in a flow, no, very simple flow, and it was very easy to understand a person like us. And same thing, like I would like to, like say, Aparna, that thank you so much, Aparna. You introduced me in this class, and and simple. Whenever I leave the class, I feel good inside. I already said earlier. Somewhere I feel my life here, because talking and learning with you all makes me moving ahead in my life, because this was a single, I feel this was, maybe I have so many kamiyan hongi, I was, but this was biggest kami, like inside me. So here I know, but over a period I will overcome with this hurdle. So I will going to speak very fluently and with each other. Even I am trying a lot whenever I call to people who stay in the south. So I tried to talk a lot with them. And how are you? How your life going on? So what you are doing? How are your business going on in this pandemic time? So how are our kids? Your parents, your like family. So I try to stretch the conversation long, so I can speak too much and I can listen too much, because sir always say a good listener is a good speaker. So not only speaking, by listening also, I used to overcome from my this whatever missing inside me. And like I am blessed that I am in the JCs, and I have a lots of opportunities, because learning is good, but if you don't get people around you to speak, to express your feeling, then your learning is somewhere incomplete. So I'm getting so many people around, I have so many people around me where I can speak and where I can share my thoughts. So staying with you all and sharing my thought with other is making me complete gradually. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir, for giving me opportunity to share my view with you all. Thank you, sir. drop.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Ritu is
drop
there.
guys. Yes, sir.
Ritu,
Okay.
are you there? Sorry,
I,
Ritu is rest.
can I say one more thing, sir?
Okay, Renu. Ritu is not there. Renu.
Sir, actually, I want to share one thing. Whenever I talk with my friends, close friends, I tell them ki they always ask ki what you are doing. You are not calling and you are so busy these days. So I tell ki bhai, I remain busy, and due to this class I am very busy. And I tell ki I am learning English as well as Hindi. सो बोले अरे हिंदी तो कितनी अच्छी है. मैं बोली नहीं, स्टिल कि सर हमको पैरेलली दो लैंग्वेज सिखाते हैं, एंड माय हिंदी इज आल्सो इम्प्रूविंग. दैट इज द ग्रेट पार्ट, सर. थैंक यू सो मच.
Sarika.
Sir, what should I say about you?
No, don't say about me. Say about this speech. Pratyush came and he was speaking. So how do you
Oh.
feel and all? है ना? Don't say about me.
Sir, I'm very happy. मतलब you can see me. I'm very happy. Sir, मतलब he is a very nice person. He is very good speaker and he is very down to earth person. मतलब whatever he speaks ना, whatever he तो मतलब I can connect him easily, very easily. Means his can I say his positivity comes to me. So that's why I'm very comfortable to मतलब interact him. So हाँ मतलब he is very positive person, I think, and I'm very happy and I wanna to talk to him again. मतलब as he said ना कि he will come or he will join the class in for मतलब he will join the class
Coming
next
Thursday.
week.
Friday. Friday he
हाँ,
will be free, he said.
okay.
So he will come again.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
And
He will.
guys, I
Yeah.
want to tell you this is all the part of this class. Online it is not possible so frequently, but offline it used to be so frequent earlier. Uh, I think Sarika knows this thing because she was also the part of this class along back in Dikshitpura, and Aparna also knows this thing. So, and ladies, I would like to say, coincidentally, one more senior is here right now. He has just come with his wife, but I would not invite him. I will send URL any day. He will talk to you. His name is Vikrant. Aparna knows him very well. I think you must. Sarika has heard him or not? I don't know.
No, sir, I met him so many times.
Okay.
Vikrant Bhaiya, I know
He's
him.
sitting there. He's sitting here. But right now, I will not invite him because he is in mood to meet us. He has come here to meet us. I will invite him within a couple of days. And now, Aparna, would you like to say?
Yeah, sir. But what should I say? I have completely impressed by the guys, Pratyush, who was speaking very fluently, and he is now in. He is a guy called. Yeah, he's in call center, and he's speaking with the English and Dutch and all over world, and he's talking with the person based by connecting view. And this is the good thing, and he has said himself ki I am from English medium school and attitude was so high that time, and matlab he managed to overcome it by attending class day by day after listening you. And I know that thing ki people matlab, this is the thing, this is the pattern of your class, and this is the aura of your sir ki people uh, matlab, change himself after some time joining. After joining, sometimes they change himself. So this is the magic I can say. And one thing ki agar some people come and join a couple of day and they leave the class after some time, so there is a one verb and a proverb for this कि जब तक आप पानी में उथले हुए रहेंगे तो आपको उसका कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आएगा। आप क्या पैटर्न है, दिस इज द पैटर्न। अब इसमें जितने गहरे जाओगे तो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड what is the गहराई of the your class and what we are learning from you. This is the 1.1 word is the very important. Earlier I after matlab joining class I have been, it has been 10 months of me for joining, but nowadays I'm getting things, the one word of whatever you say it is a valuable. If you are not if you are missing one word, you missing so many things. Means this, whatever you are giving us, this is the valuable. No, the fees is not a matter for it. This is the fees is something this, and your whatever you're giving is the very high from the your fees. And if you are matlab whoever are joining and you are not, they are not getting from you anything, so this is their loss, the big loss of them. And they must learn. We always say that now, if you want to be a good speaker of English, you must be a good